let's talk about how you can get cinematic drone footage that does not suck. These are 10 easy drone shots that anyone can do. That's right, I said anyone, even you. With just a bit of practice and just about any drone these days, you too can achieve some pro-level results. Let's dive in. Make full use of the gimbal's upward range of motion by beginning your shot aimed up high and slowly pan down whilst flying backwards to reveal your scene. Begin with motion and have your subject move into frame. This can be great for visual storytelling. Follow any moving subject without changing the gimbal's tilt. This can be great for people and cars and is without a doubt one of my favorite shots because it's so dynamic with lots of movement and action in your shots. Lock on to a point of interest and fly sideways while panning the gimbal in the opposite direction to keep your point of interest center frame. This will create a super cool parallax effect if you have some layers in your foreground. Utilize the drone's unique perspective by aiming the gimbal 90 degrees and fly straight forward. That's it. All you need to do, really easy shot to pull off and super effective because we rarely get to see this view. Find a road, pier, walkway, something that is straight and interesting to look at. This will be the center frame and split your shot composition as you fly forward down the line. Fly over a big wide open space and let her rip in sport mode. The lower you fly, the greater the sense of motion. As you can see, I like to perform this shot over a water body, which can look the best in my opinion. Of course, don't go too low. Start up higher than your subject. Slowly fly down parallel and keep the subject in center frame. Reveal your subject/scene by flying out from behind a building, tree, or wall, etc. This is a simple yet effective way to change location. Similar to the slider, except now we are flying backwards instead of sideways to reveal a subject within our scene. If you don't feel comfortable flying your drone backwards, you can always get the shot forwards and reverse it within your video editing software of choice.